Today, Abby and I are going to drive together this little truck that we recently unboxed on the channel. This is a 10th scale crawler by RGT. I love the looks of it. There's a couple different colors available. If this isn't your favorite color in the world, I'm cool with it. I don't have anything that's this color. It's nice in scale and it's 100% ready to run. Meaning, if you've never done crawling before, you've never done 10th scale trucks before, this could be a first one. We're gonna drive it today and let you know if it's worth your hard-earned money. But this brand and this vehicle tends to get a little more bang for your buck than the big name brand companies like Axial or Traxxas. We love Axial and Traxxas a lot, some more than others. Should be obvious which ones.
Products.
Products are good though. The Traxxas products are good. Love Axial. But this one you could get a little more bang for your buck, being that it comes with a battery and a charger and everything for under $300. I think that's awesome. The lights are already pre-installed and I'm excited to see how they look because we haven't even powered this on yet. I want to tell you guys one thing, just as an update to what's going on in our world and stuff, and just a little bit of advice. If you're bored, watch our videos. We have over 1,000 of them. They'll keep you busy for a while. And if you get tired of sitting on your butt on the couch, buy an RC, wait for it to come in the mail, and while you're waiting, watch more videos. When it comes, play with the RC. If you're bored, don't go to the store. Don't go to where other people are if you're bored. If you have to go, fine. But if you're bored, stay home.
Nate's a little passionate about that.
Oh, I'm tired of it.
Yeah, it just seems like people are hanging out at stores now.
Well, I'm going to give a prime example. Our airfield here, where we are right now, just yesterday was a club day, and Abby and I came. We didn't think anyone would be here because they shouldn't be unless they're flying and keeping their social distancing. But lo and behold, they were here, and guess what? There were about 6 or 7 cars here, and no one was flying. No one was sitting in their cars either. Where were they? They were in the tiny clubhouse, all just holding hands and breathing on each other. And also, guess what? They're all like 60 or more years old. By the way, I didn't go with the nickel metal hydride. I went with the lipo because that's just what I want to do. I told you guys I probably would go with the nickel metal, but you know what? I like my lipos. Abby and I have been under social spacing, quarantining
for about 11 days?
10 or 11 days. Not because we feel bad or anything, but because
we're trying to do our part.
That's your social responsibility right now.
It's your civic duty to stay away from everybody.
In this country.
Don't go to your friend's house. Don't go visit your grandma. Just stay in your own little family bubble at your house and don't go breathing on people.
And trust us, we know it sucks really bad, but it must be done. When you power on, you won't have lights, or at least we didn't. There's channel 3 down here, and then you have lights, and they look good.
You got like orange lights, you got blue lights, and whoops, red lights. Fell on the chair. Why can't I talk sometimes? I struggle with words. Words are hard.
We want you guys to follow us over here because this will be the first time we've ever run anything over here. Oh my gosh, Abby.
Squish.
We're in like a hidden little bonus spot, which by the way, it's
42 degrees.
Okay, and I have wet socks. That was so horrible. We'll go back around this way. But check this out. This looks like a really cool spot to possibly crawl at. It's not going to be as awesome as the hill, but
still looks fun.
Yeah. The truck is looking pretty good. Yeah, nice. This is a good spot, Abby. I like it. Cool. Whoa, that is
that was fast reverse.
That's really touchy. All right, you know we're taking it through the water, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. Now the tires match the body.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm definitely feeling some speed on this. That's a fast crawler. This thing is geared out kind of funny and strong. Look at that reverse.
Whoops. I started watching the truck and not the camera. Do the pallet.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's where we're going now.
Oh, okay.
That's going to be a tough spot, I think. just because of that. See the
I think you're
clear.
gonna have to do like one tire at a time or something.
We're probably gonna have to modify the pallet some.
Hold on. Should we like
Yeah, but still,
do something like that?
even so, getting up on there is gonna be really difficult.
Okay. Let's do that. How about that?
Yeah. And now if I use that centerpiece, I might be able to make it. Nope.
No, we still gotta do something.
Right,
How about rocks? Here, look, rocks. Or, yeah, let's try these rocks. Oh, please don't be worms. Okay, we're good.
Nice, Abby.
Here, we'll get this going. Or however long we're in social isolation, we have to get something going. Hopefully we don't get home confined. We can still come out here.
It could happen. There we go.
Nice. Oh no, hold on.
One more.
We got to get one more thing. Here, let's try this rock. Please don't be nasty. Okay. Oh. How about that? You think you could do that?
That'd be enough.
All right.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you might need to go one at a time. Kind of crooked. There.
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, just need a little more center.
You got it.
You got it.
Yeah.
All right. First step of the course, right there. Our 10th scale solid course.
So we're building the course with you guys, apparently.
I like it. Now let's be a little creative here. Let's go around.
Look at the
these.
pipe.
Look, I like these.
Is this pipe in use or is it just sitting here?
I think it's just sitting there.
Let's do something with it.
Yeah, it is just sitting there. Okay.
Where should we put it?
I don't know yet, but that could be where one wheel runs.
Okay.
Okay, let's.
Well, we have that.
Oh, look at this cage too, this fence.
That's fun.
Okay.
So I will say, I think a club member and his boys started doing this, and then they haven't been here for a while, and so we're kind of finishing it, I think.
Look at that.
That's cool.
I like having
That's
the fence.
fun.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Uh-oh.
Do we need another rock?
No. I got it.
Yeah. Oh, that's
now I
so
gotta bump
fun.
Okay.
Well, that's cool. Okay.
All right, Abby. So for
Yeah, I'm
now,
dying. I'm dying
the
to try.
course is up the pallet, kind of over the mound of mud.
Yeah.
Come down however you want.
Go
We'll go around here. You have to go up on the chicken wire cage and then down off the pallet.
Okay, that's
For
a
now.
good course.
Well, you basically made it.
Thanks.
Let's see.
Well, as
you
I
do.
said, another club member, I think, started this.
Yeah. Or at least he talked about bringing the
did.
materials.
He talked about wanting to do this, but
Yeah.
I don't know if he maybe set this up already.
Well, it looks like our camera battery might die.
I have another.
Okay, good. Now this is the toughest part, I think. We'll have to fix it some. Because you really kind of have to cheat by juicing it hard to get up there. Back a hair. Okay, you might have it. Right there, yeah. See, we need a little more, we need a little more rockage.
Here's a new rock. Okay, we'll try again. I put another rock in there.
I don't know if that'll do it, but we'll see. Okay, see, that's the part. That's the only part that's the issue. It's like we need a rock up
there in
here.
front.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
With a stick.
Yeah. Let's we can move the truck.
Maybe I'll wedge it under there. Like
Sure.
that.
Okay. Let's
put it
try.
back
Let's
in
just
front
go
of
about right there.
Okay.
You just gotta ride. There you go. Nice. Very nice. All right. I never thought we'd be doing crawling trucks here at our airfield.
No.
But hey, gotta get creative in these times. Let's hope everyone out there's doing okay. Oh, nice, Abby. I didn't think we could run over that. Oh, easy. Oh, you're the first to roll it.
Too tight of a curve. All right.
So far, I'm liking this truck a lot.
I really like that the lights are set up on a switch. I think that's pretty fun.
Yeah.
That you can turn them off and on.
Okay, there's a,
Sadly, I have
easy.
to reverse.
The reverse is
It's
brutal
crazy.
on this, yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah. Use the wheels. Turn right some.
Right?
There,
Okay.
just a hair, just to get up the chicken wire. And oh no!
Why am I struggling with this? Try a new approach. Man,
You just gotta hit the right angle.
reverse needs some work.
It does. It's too sensitive. I don't know why it is like that. Oh, you gotta watch that bumper. That reverse is insane.
Crazy.
Okay, battery died. And when we were changing the battery out, I realized something. Hold on, Abby. Just listen. Everybody shush. Oh my gosh, you can hear birds chirping.
This is how it used to be.
Yeah, so about a year or two ago, before these idiots came in over here, and
those people started doing whatever they're doing.
like power washing or something. We have no idea. It's power sandblasting or something. It is so loud up here all the time, but because today's Saturday, it's just quiet and peaceful. Abby, I don't know why you're struggling there.
I think you messed it up.
No, I did not. Where are you going? You gonna hit a running start? No, go there. Go. Yeah.
Straight.
There, you got it. Good path. Now finish out the course, jumping off of this. We're gonna have to put some sailor stickers on here. Easy, don't go off the edge. Nice, you did it. You did the course. All right, we need keep adding to the course now, but I think that figure 8 path is nice. Let me hit it one more time. Okay. We're just hanging out with everybody. Now, I told you guys our videos are gonna be a little bit longer.
A little bit different.
A little bit different.
More hangout style for you guys.
Oh yeah, less music and editing and craziness just because.
I think we all need just some real life.
Yes. So we're not gonna do a whole, this crawler will probably run for well over an hour,
oh, yeah.
hour and a half, even with this cheap battery that I have in here. So we'll hit this course. I'll go one more time, and if Abby wants to, she'll go again. And we've got some other videos that we want to record while we're up here, so
hit the subscribe button, make sure your bell's turned on, because I have a feeling we're going to add to this course and
absolutely.
Try to do some stuff over here. That'd be fun.
We got another mound.
Yeah.
We got the mud pit. Oh, you know what? I know exactly how I want to finish out the course
Okay,
today.
let's do it.
So let's all work on this together. I want to hear from you guys too. If you got any ideas that you see here for the course, tell us. There we go.
That's
so
good.
that's a good
was nice.
start.
That was nice.
There we go. Now we go over here. We go down here. We can use that block if we need it, but I like it being there.
You got to go over the pipe like I did now.
Okay, we're using the pipe to go over it.
Right now, that's what the pipe is doing.
All right. Seems. I don't like it.
I don't
Tell us
either.
what we can do with the pipe, but that'll work. I like these cinder blocks kind of helping create a path.
Yeah.
I love this. Look, I want to point this out. What do you guys think we should do with this? That looks like something we could crawl up.
Yeah, maybe we can stack the cinder blocks
and look
then
at this.
Crawl up.
This is a... The blocks are weighing it down right now, but that's like a sign. That's
this is to flatten out the track.
Oh,
this is
they
a
drag
tool.
it.
See, yeah, I think they drag it.
Okay.
That's what it looks like.
Okay, well, we may need to modify this cage a little bit, this fence,
yeah.
but...
the path I took worked pretty nicely. There you go. Oh, keep right, or left.
It's
My other right.
Yeah, I must have got lucky the first time. Need to modify it so it's more fun to drive on.
Maybe put a rock underneath it so it's not as bouncy.
Yeah, I'm getting caught on the back now.
Yeah.
Oh! Rolled it.
Sorry, I keep watching it myself because I'm so entertained right now, and my camera shots aren't very good.
Let's see, I can get this. Well, this isn't working out right now. We're gonna have to change it up, I think.
Just put yourself on top of it. We'll fix it before our next crawler video.
Yeah,
that'll be fun.
That's good. Okay, all right. And then I think we can just hop right off. Okay,
nice.
Now I think I want to change the direction of the course somehow. I think I want the cage to almost be on this side,
yeah,
going up this pallet,
that'd be
and
cool.
then
I like
heading
that.
in this direction, because then maybe we can do some kind of a hill back here.
Yeah.
I want it to get up here, and then let's go around. I want it to end through the mud. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So let's go around.
Looks like we need to pull some grass, maybe. No, you did it.
We'll see. It'll get trampled down over time. Oh, you're blocking my line of sight.
I'm filming.
I think this is nice at this angle as is.
It's a challenge, that's for sure, to not roll.
There you go. Oh!
Can you get out of that?
Yes, I can. Let me think which direction.
There. Nice! That was awesome!
Yeah, that was cool. Through the mud. And then now I gotta clean the tires off, because I think that's... Now, do you want to run the course again?
No, you're good.
Okay.
We have another crawler coming to the channel. Yeah, clean it off.
See, that cleans the tires right off.
Very nice.
That's perfect. That way we don't track all the mud home. At least not as much. Okay, I like this truck. I really do.
That was a lot of fun. I'm really glad we tried the crawler course. We saw this the other day and was like, okay, we can do something with this.
Me too. And it's better than what I thought. You look at this and it doesn't look like mud, just a couple mud hills, but you get your 10 scale crawlers on it. It's really nice. Hey, if we have a heads up that we're going to be on like a lockdown or something, we're going to come take some of these things home with us.
For real, we're going to steal the pallets for a few weeks.
Or borrow.
Steal.
Yeah, our club. It's our club.
Maybe we'll get some of that wood that's sitting under that too. We'll bring our truck up here and fill it with some of that wood.
We could use some of that just for our course. Yeah. Okay. Abby and I are going to do a little bit of modifying between videos. Now I just turned the lights off. Between the videos is actually between days for you guys.
Yeah.
So hopefully tomorrow, you're seeing us up here with another crawler that we recently unboxed. And we've done just a couple little modifications. So that'll be fun. We're going to do that for sure. We also brought an airplane to fly if we have enough time up here. So lots of fun stuff to do on the channel to help you guys just kind of get away from it all, escape for a little while you're watching videos with us. I do like this truck, okay? Granted, we have a new bar here. It's not climbing the hill like we normally do.
I think the only thing bad about this truck right now is the reverse.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why it's so sensitive.
It's really fast. It's crazy.
That is weird how it's so touchy. Anyway, this truck will be linked in the description box below. If it looks awesome to you, I think it looks very cool. It may not be the best performance crawler in the world, but if you take out the cost of the charger and the battery, you know, you're looking at, I mean, it's valued at maybe $240 or so, $230, but it does come with a battery and a charger. Okay, and that's good, especially if you're just starting out. I like it. We're gonna hold on to this one for a while just because it's so unique.
Yeah,
and it's not junk or anything. It just has a couple unique, quirky things about it. I like this thing a lot. Guys, it's linked in the description box below. I just want to thank God for giving us the opportunity to be out here today, breathing this fresh air, enjoying this peace and quiet. It's wonderful. Even though it's like 40 degrees, it's awesome. And really grateful to be here and to be able to turn the camera on, go home and edit our video, upload it, and share the experience with you guys. I'm extremely grateful for that. We've taken so many things for granted, like McDonald's cheeseburgers. Abby and I are missing those so bad.
And pizza. We're not eating out.
We chose
That's
not
our
to.
choice.
No, it would be awesome to support local restaurants and stuff. We want to so bad, but that's just the choice we made to help everybody. You know, Abby and I are young enough that we could carry this and not know it. Okay, maybe we get it and it wipes us off the face of the earth. I don't know. But if we did carry it, we don't want to put anyone else in harm. And so we've done 11 days or so so far. By the time you're watching this, hopefully longer. And we just don't want to risk it. So all those cravings and things are
hitting us hard. And pop.
Yeah, we used
Mountain
to
Dew.
get a Mountain Dew when we went to get a burger or
queso.
Something. Oh, chips and salsa at the Mexican restaurant. Just all these things already reminiscing. How's that for a nation of instant gratification for you? It's only been 11 days for us. And those are the things we're craving, and family time and hugging loved ones and stuff. Just stay home. We're doing it. You can do it. The only reason we're out here is because this is our privately owned RC club.
And no one is here.
Zero people. I mean, not even over there today. It's wonderful.
I love it.
I have to fly a plane before we go home just to enjoy the sound of the electric motor. Can't even hear it anymore through the weekdays. Anyway, we're happy to be here. Hopefully you guys are too. I sincerely hope you're doing okay. Stay strong. Reach out to your loved ones if you need help. Stay home as much as you can. Remember, we got over 1,000 videos you could be watching. Please watch them. Okay, it helps us pay the bills, and it's all good. You watching those videos and watching the ads is a very good thing right now. So please keep it up. All these names that are scrolling by right now, we could not do this without you guys. You're literally feeding us right now, so thank you very much. Before we go, there's another video of an awesome crawler we want you to check out, popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.